Hello guys, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn some of the commands of SQLCL. SQLCL means it is a SQL command line which supports all the SQL plus commands along with some additional command. You can download SQLCL from the Oracle website. It is a free interface. Let me show you some of description about the SQLCL. Like it is a command line interface which is free, and basically it allows you to interactively or batch execute the SQL and PLSQL. Here it supports it you see it supports all the previously written SQL star script. That means it supports all the feature of SQL plus along with some additional commands which newly created with the SQLCL in 12c. So we are going to see what are the commands newly introduced. Again, I want to show you the SQLCL interface. It is a command line interface like SQL plus. So you can download it and you can install it. So let me show you what are the important commands are there and what are their uses. So if I show you the DDL command, the DDL command is used to get the DDL of a particular table. So if I type DDL space table name, that is EMP, and if I run this statement, I'll get the structure, the DDL statement, the DDL script of the employee table. You see, it shows me the detail script, the entire detail script for the employee table. You see, the primary key, it includes all the constraints, indexes, everything. So it, and as you know that we get the DDL script using some Oracle predefined packages. Like if I type select dbms underscore metadata dot get DDL, and here we need to type the object type, that is table, and the object name, that is emp. Okay, undo. So if I execute this query, I will get the same structure which I got through the ddl command, ddl SQLCL command. You see, I get the same structure, the create table name, it includes the constraint, everything. So now you don't need to use this package because this DDL command is enough to get the DDL script of a particular table. And next I'm going to show you the information. The information command, basically it is an enhancement of describe command. If I'll show you the use of describe, like we know that describe command is used to see the table structure. Like if I type describe space emp, it shows me the table structure, like all the columns and their data types, all those things. But if I'm going to show you the let me pin it and let me show you the use of information command or info command, and I'm running this command. You see, it shows the entire thing, like when it was last analyzed, what are the number of rows exist in that table, sample size, all those things, like command columns and their names, data types, and whether they are not or not, the default values, all these things it will display. Along with it displays the index which is applied in this table, and what are the primary keys there, what are the keys are there, it will show all those things. So info command is very helpful, like it shows the entire thing, entire description about a particular table. It is the enhancement of describe command. Okay, and let me show you like the CTAS command. CTAS command basically use, we know that CTAS means create table edge. Previously we can create a table using the create table edge select from another table, and that we don't need to write, don't need to use that, because the CTAS is real help us to do that. See, if I type CTAS, like the source table name emp, I want to create a target table name, that is emp new. And if I execute this command, what it will do, it will not create a table. What it will do, it will create a script which we can run and which you can create this table emp new. So by using this command, you see, if I execute this command, it generates a script like create table name. It brings all the column, and here it written as select star from emp. And if I execute this query, it will if I execute this query, it will show me error, because this constraint, if you see the constant pkemp already exists in the emp table. What we need to write, we can change the name pkemp to pkemp new. Okay, and we know that emp number is a primary key, so the same structure it copied from the emp table. And if I run this query, run this script again, then it will definitely create a new table emp new. And if I query from that, like select star from emp new, it should be same as the emp table as before. You see, so here also 14 rows copied and the structure also copied. And if we don't want to bring the all the data, here we can give a false condition where something 1 equal to 2, and if we execute this, then it will not bring the data, it will only bring the structure of that table emp. So these are the commands which are real helpful for performing some activities. Like DDL gives us all the detailed structure, and information gives the all the information about a particular table, which is the enhancement of describe command. And CTAS basically does, it generates a script, and where it brings all the data from a particular table, and it also brings the primary keys, everything, and it gives us a script, and the script we need to run, and we can create another table by using this CTAS command, create table. I hope you understood this lecture. If you have any doubt, please comment below, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thanks to all of you.